Designated as national bird is generally a bird that is widely known to the people of a country and most familiarized to them, or a special species of bird. National bird reflects the culture of a country and the manners of people. ICBP took a measure for every country to designate its national bird to protect and propagate birds. Goshawk is national bird in the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. From olden times, goshawk was loved by Koreans for its strong wings, sharp bill, keen-edged talons, piercing eyesight, and obstinate temper. Many historical records show that goshawk was closely linked with the life of the Korean people from long ago. Tales of the building of the dynasty of Goguryeo, recorded in history books, including Samguk Sagi, Chronicles of the Three Kingdoms, say when Habek changed into a pheasant, the king became a hawk to fall on it. A mural of Anak Tomb No. 1, a typical tomb of Goguryeo in the late 4th century, depicts a warrior of Goguryeo hunting with a hawk. Like this, Koreans trained hawks already in the period of the Three Kingdoms to use them for hunting. Such a custom of hunting continued during the Joseon feudal dynasty through the dynasty of Goryeo. Here are also records that neighboring countries too called the Korean hawk haedongcheom and valued it. A variety of raptures belonging to Excitripidae of Siconiformes, goshawk is a seasonal bird, breeding in northern Korea around Mount Baekdu, and in winter moving even into the south area of the central part of the country. From olden times, Korean called the most swift and dauntless hawk goshawk. Goshawk is called purple hawk or yellow hawk or blue hawk or white hawk. It is principally related to the changed color of body according to its maturation. In the first year after it hatched out, goshawk takes light purple, and so was called purple goshawk. It is gradually tinged with yellow, hence the name yellow goshawk. Full-grown goshawk takes light blue or white, hence the name blue hawk or white hawk. Wild bird was called sanjini, and the tamed bird sujini. Goshawk breeds in late April to early May. It makes a nest on a high tree such as Korean poplar, larch, Abies nephrolepis, and poplar. Hen bird hatches eggs and raises chicken, and cock bird guards the nest and brings a feed. Goshawk comes to maturity at 10 in general. While living in forests of needle-leaf and broadleaf trees, it flies low and swiftly between big trees with a sound. Once it finds a prey while circling in the air, goshawk dives with lightning speed at 200 to 250 kilometers an hour and falls on it. Goshawk takes mainly rodents, pheasants, pigeon and other birds as its prey. A raptorial bird, goshawk flies up 6,500 meters at the highest with an undaunted spirit. Like this, goshawk is a seasonal bird which breeds and passes the winter in Korea. With its bravery, swiftness, and strong wings, goshawk symbolizes the spirit and disposition of the Korean nation. Flying high in the sky with the spirit of the resourceful and courageous Korean nation, goshawk is a pride of Korea.